Hello, am I audible? Yeah, thank you. Thank you all for your responses. So we'll start our session now. So let me share my screen. Today we'll be dealing on steps like how to download our Watson Studio desktop application and all. Okay. So basically, before we start, what we have to do is we have to log in into our academic portal, that is IBM academic portal, by using our institutional mail IDs. The people who are having institutional mail IDs can use their own institutional mail IDs, and the people and the participants who are not having their institutional mail IDs, I hope we have provided the smart interns mail IDs, right? So please use your smart interns mail IDs and log in into your academic portal. I am giving the link of academic portal in the chat box. Please check that. I have given the link of academic portal in chat box. I hope everyone have logged into your academic portal. Please let me know through the chat. Yes. Yeah. Fine then. Faculty, I'm providing you an other link as well. Please navigate to that link too. Alkappan sir, I request you to try it in incognito tab. The links are working and the server is all well. Dear faculty, we have Mani Madhuka sir from our IBM side.
Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Good evening, everyone, and thanks for joining. Hemant, there are a few questions on the chat, right? How to get a smart intern's mail ID?
Faculty, if it is showing error as servers are down, please refresh your page and try it in incognito tab. The servers are working. Sometimes you'll get the servers are down. Please refresh the page. So faculty who are getting error as servers are down, you can try it in incognito tab, and if at that time in incognito tab also you are not getting, please note down the steps, what you have to do, like how to download the steps. Okay, so let's continue with the session. Once you navigate to IBM portal account, you have to log in into your IBM account by using institutional mail IDs. Okay, once the institutional mail IDs you're logged into your account, something I have given you the URL of this page, right, ma'am? Right, faculty? So once you're on this page, just scroll it down. You'll find an option called softwares here. Just click on this option called softwares, and then you will have a list of softwares provided to us here, right? So now we have Watson Studio desktop application, as well as we have our SPSS modular premium. So for now we'll go with this Watson Studio desktop application. Okay, just click on this download option. So once you click on your download option, this page will be loaded to you, right? So once you are onto this page, just click on download. Once you click on the download option, you will be shown options for the downloading for Windows as well as the Mac. In Windows, it supports for 64-bit. Okay, so as my system is 64-bit version, I am just downloading it. If someone from you are using Mac, you can download the Mac file. So here you can see that my setup file has been installing, like downloading. Shabir sir, once after you log into your account, I'll be sharing an academic initiative link to you. Navigate to technologies, the data science page. I'll be sharing the link. Please navigate to that page. Now you can see here below my setup file has been downloading. Let's wait for this to get download. Ma'am, you can ma'am, you can go with IBM Watson Desktop Academic Trial. And an emailer will be also sent to you on mail IDs which you are logging in with. I'll show you the sample mail which you will be getting to your mail IDs. This is a kind of mail which you will be receiving to your mail IDs which you are logging in with. Here we are given with 1-year plan. So as a 365 days duration trial plan, it has been given to us. Okay, as you can see here, my setup file has been downloaded. Just open the setup file. Give the permission. I'll stop the screen share for a second. Yep. I hope my screen is visible. Yes, recordings will be made available on our YouTube channel, sir. So now once after you install the setup file and click on open, here as a small setup will be saved on our desktops. Okay, just before running it, just give a right click on that and run it as administrator. If you don't give the permission as administrator, this will not be installing. Okay, so give the permission as administrator and open it. Accept the terms and conditions checkbox, click on continue. Here for me it will be starting from 91 because I have stopped it previously when it was at 91%. Okay, for you all I hope it will be starting from 0%, and it completely depends upon the network speed, dear faculty. Whenever if the installation, you feel that installation is stuck and it's not moving forward, just reopen the application, close the application and relaunch the application. It will work for you. So here you can see I have already downloaded the notebooks with me. Once this complete core packages are being downloaded, so that we can move further. Himanish sir, I request you to share your college mail ID, college name, and your name to our email ID, to our office email ID, that is info@thesmartbridge.com. Yes, copy, ma'am. If you have not downloaded the notebooks initially, later on you can download it. But the main thing, first you have to install is this core packages should be installed for sure. This is the main thing. Shabir sir, to the page, to the link which I have given to you, please navigate to that. Just scroll the page, then you will be gone, like you will be have an option called softwares. Click on the softwares option, and then you will be finding Watson Studio Desktop. There you will be finding an option called download again. Just click on the download. Dastidar sir, the reason we are asking you to download this Watson Studio desktop application is like in cloud also you can use this notebook and all, but sometimes if you are not there, like if your network is not there or the network is slow, you cannot access to the cloud, right, sir? That is what we are asking you to download this desktop application where you can work on your notebook, you can run your files, Python files offline. Sure, Sabir sir. I am sharing a link once again privately to you. Please share. So we recommend it to download, sir. And the main reason for asking you for this academic portal is access to free softwares, free courses as well. You have many courses where you can access it for free and learn the tech, like all the services of our IBM cloud. And the software also made available for free download with the use of this academic portal. And you have many advantages with this, like when you compare to a light account, you'll have just 256 MB of cloud space, whereas in this academic initiative accounts, if you use this, you'll have 2 GB of cloud space. Sure, I'm reposting the link there to everyone. Please check it out. I hope everyone have logged into your accounts and you have downloaded your setup file. Please let me know in the chat, or I'll repeat the steps again. Okay, so I'll do one thing, dear faculty, until it gets downloaded, my core package installed or gets installed. I'll repeat the steps from beginning again. My first step is to log into my academic portal account, academic portal. That is ibm.com/academic. So now, if you are a new user, you can register yourself, and if you have already registered to our academic portal account, just click on this already registered and log in. Now you can see that I have logged into my academic portal account. Now let's navigate to data science. Now, once the page is been loaded, we just scroll the page. We have an option called softwares, right? Just click on this option called softwares, and then click on this option called download. It, so then you will find an option called IBM Academic Studio Desktop IBM Watson Studio Desktop Academic Trial version, right? Just click on this download option. Once you click on the download option, you will find you will be landed onto this page where you'll have two options for Windows, as well as you're downloading your setup file for your Windows as well as your Macs. So as I am using my Windows, so I'll just download the setup file supported to my Windows. On the your setup file starts downloading. Okay, I am cancelling it as of now, as I have already downloaded my setup file before. Once you I'll show that after downloading the setup file what you need to do as well. No, sir. The minimum requirement of this software is Windows 10. You can my setup files has been downloaded. Once you download your setup file, just open the setup file. Give the permission as yes. Then once you give the permit open, like it will open and it will install and shortcut file onto your desktop. Once after the shortcut file has been installed onto your desktop, just give and right click on it and select as run as administrator. It's an option called run as administrator and run the file. Without the administrator permission, file will not be. I steps are clear till here. Please let me know through the chat, faculty. The servers are working fine. I request you to check your network as well, because in front of you I am doing the demo here. Darsha ma'am, once please close the application and relaunch the application. I do everything once my core packages gets installed. And this download of core packages, and it might be core packages or modular or notebooks. It completely depends upon the network state of your network. As I am now running and installing the core packages and running the meet, that's why my network is slow. Dharmesh sir, as I have told you, once the setup file has been installed, downloaded, just open it. Once you open, it will create a shortcut file on your desktop. Just right click on that application and run it as administrator, sir. Unless you run as an administrator, it will not open. It needs administrator right now. I hope everyone have followed the steps till here. Sanjay Kumar sir, from where I have to explain, from scratch, or you are stuck up somewhere between? See sir, nothing but first you have to log into your academic account. Okay. Once you are logged into your academic IBM portal account, I'll share the URL for you. Please check that. You have logged in, sorry. Okay, ma'am. Like I'm repeating the steps again. First, you all need to log in into your IBM academic portal. That the link for that portal is ibm.com/academic. Right? I have shared the same link in the chat as well. Let me do it parallelly once again with you. The faculty who have not followed or stuck up somewhere, like I'm doing it parallelly again, doing it from scratch again. So please follow the steps. Once you are onto this page, as I am an already registered user on this page, I am just clicking on already registered. If in case you are a new user to this page, you can just click on register now. Okay. So as I'm already registered user, let me click on this all and log in myself. Yep. So I am logging into my academic initiative account of IBM. Okay. So now just go to this URL, that is ibm.com/academic/technology/data-science. I'll paste the link for you in the chat, faculty. Please check the chat. Okay. See, once you are onto this page, just scroll it down. And here you have options of resources, software, courses, badges, careers. These all are related to our data science field. Okay. So as we want to download our software, just click on this option called software. Once you click on this option called software, just scroll it down. As I have two options, like I have Watson Studio here, Optimization Studio, and SPSS Modeler, Cognos Analytics as well. So as of now, I'm just downloading this Watson Studio desktop. Just click on the option here down. Veenam, I hope your antivirus software is blocking it. Please off the antivirus and continue. Safe, ma'am. once I log in into my once after clicking on the download option, next for my or the subscription and directs me to the download. Now this page will be loaded once it checks for all subscriptions and your authorities and all. Just click on the option called download here. You'll have an IBM Watson Studio Desktop Academic Trial Plan. Just click on download here. Once you click on this download, the page will be appear something like this. It gives us two options, one for our Windows and the other one will be for our Mac. The faculties who are using Windows can download their Windows setup file, and the faculties who are going with their Mac OS, you can download your Mac setup file. And just click on this option called download. As soon as you click on this option called download, your setup file will be start downloading. And the minimum requirement of this application is Windows 10 and it should be 64-bit. Let me share the minimum requirement also. Just a second. So you need Windows 10 for this. If you want to use this application, you need to upgrade to Windows 10, sir. I hope the steps are clear till here, faculty. Please let me know through the chat. I hope all your core packages are being installed, like they are started installing. Faculty have informed like its minimum requirement is Windows 10. you need to upgrade if you want to use the application. It's as informed, like, it completely depends upon the network speed, and basically your system also. It depends on the both your network speed as well as your CPU, GPU, and RAM. If you're faculty, I just want to make a point note here. If your application gets stuck while installing, please relaunch the application. It gets like it will work fine from there again. And it when you relaunch the application, it never starts from the zero. It starts from where it has end. Like if your application is say something like down installed till 50% and it got stuck. So again, it will, when we relaunch the application, it will start again from the 50%, but not from the zero. Yes, Ishan sir, you have to give it. You have to give administrator privilege permissions to it, and without that, it cannot install. Abhirami ma'am, relaunching is nothing but close the application, this setup file which is installing, close it and relaunch it. I hope the faculty who are following the steps, your core packages are been installing. Because is your core package installed 100%? Vinam ma'am, it takes time. As mentioned, it depends on the network speed. We'll do one thing. I'll give sharing rights to the because sir. Because sir, I hope you are on your desktop or your laptop. So until my core packages gets installed, I'll give the permissions, the share permissions to you. I'll just follow the steps. Like I'll explain the steps what to do next. Right. Because sir, you can share your screen, sir. Like I'm stopping my share screen. You can share your screen. Once you launch your application, it's asked for the login. So please log in with the user ID. Once you log in, it validates the license. So on your left side, you can see that we have like it shows the subscription plans and all. How many days are left on your left side? And yep, on the top, you have home option and the projects option. As Sar has already created a project over here, it shows the name of the project here. I hope sir you have created the project, right? Remote health monitoring system analytics. So this is how it looks like once after the installation is done, complete the core packages installation is done. Thank you sir for sharing the screen. Ma'am, once did you try relaunching the application, like reopening the application? See, ma'am, the users, but the both users are different. Here, these notebooks are used to run simple packages. Sorry, simple programs like Kapar, Python programs can be run, and basically these notebooks, we prefer these notebooks because a beginner in a Python language, it will be easy for him to understand, and he can, even use it. Use the notebooks notebooks are very friendly to use. And modulars are where something like to draw the flow graphs, the analytics flows and all, we use the modulars. And as I was explaining, we have an analytics cognitive analytics also, where we can draw the flows, and where when we have a data set and we want to plot the graphs and all, we can do with that. Just drag and drop things can be done on all these things. We don't need to code much. I hope the steps are clear to you all. It's not like a visual classification, ma'am. It's a visual classification. Are you talking about the visual recognition service of our cloud? This SPSS modular is something like on the day 5th, on the second session we have taken on modulars, right? The same thing, ma'am. You can see here, create graphicals SPSS modular flows to transform the data and build and train predictive models. On the day 5th, we have taken the second session. That is from 6:30 to 8. We have taken the session on modulars. The same modulars can be run offline, can be used offline. I hope the installation steps and the use of our application is clear. And I'll share what's the difference between our online, like our Cloud Watson Studio, and this offline, our application in our group. Once this session is end, I'll share the references and the minimum requirement also I'll be sharing it. Faculty, are the steps clear till here? Yes, ma'am. You can install both. I'll post there in our group, ma'am. Lakshmi, ma'am, I'll be posting there in our group. Once this session ends, I'll post everything there. Thought of showing you a working model over here, but I don't think, because my network is slow, I guess today here raining. It's raining even. Can I get the confirmation from all the faculties that the steps are clear? Abhirami, ma'am, if you want to use Python coding, and if you want to go, you can go with the notebooks. If you want to use this drag and drop things as we have done in our day 5 session, you can go with the modular, or even you can use auto AI. That auto AI option is not available with us in offline. It is with it is there in our cloud service. Dharmaya sir, I request you to please check your network once. Sure, ma'am. I'm sharing the link where you can register for the projects of this buildathon. And dear faculty, registering for the project and submitting the project is a mandatory step as of this GuruCool FTP is concerned. And the last date of submitting of project is 20th October. On or before 20 October, you need to submit, dear faculty. I'm sharing the link in the chat as well. This is the link. And dear faculty, I'll navigate and I'll show you how, like, the registration process, because many of the faculties are getting confused. I hope my screen is visible to you all, right? The GuruCool page is visible to you. Please let me know through the chat. No, sorry. Now I hope our GuruCool page has been our GuruCool website has been visible to you all, right? Yeah. So once after you log in onto our website, many of the faculties are seeing that registration is closed. They think that the registrations for the project has been closed. But dear faculty, this registration close indicates the registration for the event is closed. Okay. Okay. Let's scroll the page a bit down. Here you can find all our important dates, like that is like when our FDP program started, and when our project buildathon started, and what is the last date of our project buildathon, and when your certificates and everything will be distributed. Once you scroll it down, you'll have an option called like projects buildathon, right? This title will be there for you. Under this title, you have this projects been listed over here. So you have this many projects listed over here. You can choose any of the project. Let me enroll and show you. Now, I hope I have registered this. Let me go with this personal translator using IBM Cognitive. Once you click, like I have selected this project, let me click on the enroll option. Yes, Koonam ma'am, if you have selected both, you can enroll any, if you have enrolled both, you can complete any one of them, but submitting one project is mandatory field. Okay, so once you click on this enroll, you will be landed onto this page where you can see your project description, your solution for it, and the services to be used, and the architecture of our project. Okay. Once this is done, it's for your idea now how to work on this project, what this project mean, like what are the services to be used, what is the architecture. It's given for your idea. Just click on this enroll now option. Once you click on this enroll now option, it will take you to the educator login, right? So before login, I need to register myself onto this educator login. If the people who have not registered onto this educator login, like that is a smart intern portal, please do register first and then you can enroll. As I'm already registered on this login, let me directly log in into it. So for this, I need my temporary password. Just as the second faculty, I'm getting my temporary password. Koonam, I hope the educator login accounts will be disabled after GuruCool. I hope. I'm not pretty sure. I will just confirm the update in the Telegram group. Sure. I'll show you everything. Okay, as we have connected now, let me show the entire procedure. What to be followed. Enrollment, everything. Lakshmi ma'am, if it is showing student account, if the tab name is student account, please ignore it. In your settings, just click on your settings. You will be having your if the educator, it is showing educator account, then you are on right platform. If it is showing student in your settings, then please send me your email ID, registered email ID on Smart Intern platform. I'll change it to educator account. As you can see, I have enrolled into my educator account, and I am enrolling for an project. I hope my voice is clear and I'm clear here. Anand sir, if you ask me, both are best. Both can be used. Yep. Let me go with any of this project or here. As I've registered with personal translator, I'm going with that. And here, dear faculty, once you click on that task card over there, you know, you'll be given with some set of information. Anupama sir, please share it on Telegram through DM, not in the group. Sir, this recording will be saved on our YouTube channel. It's already live on our YouTube channel. It will be saved on our YouTube channel. So here you can see, dear faculty, how to complete the project. The steps are being given. All the steps and along the instructions are being given here. So if anyone, if any one of you are not on our Telegram channel, you can join our Telegram channel by clicking on this link. Okay. So these are all the steps to be followed. First, we need to create our academic initiative account. That is for you, that is a faculty account, and for students, it's a student account. And then the main thing here, the learning resources. Why these learning resources are something like, dear faculty, now we will be going through many of the services in our projects. For example, in our project, Watson, if you take a smart restaurant board, we have given there to use speech to text and speech to text and text to speech services, something like that. But we have not taught that in our sessions, right? So to work on that, we have already installed, we have given here all the resources of all the services, like Watson service, Watson text to speech, speech to text, Watson discovery, all the services of our Watson listed. We have listed out here. Once, for suppose I am now using speech to text, which I am not aware of, just click on this. Then you click, you will be shown with a video here. When you click on this, the reference link will be opened, and when you click on this demo application, and a demo of this application will be shown. Like, you can understand how does this service works and how to work on this service, kind of thing. Okay, that is the reason for giving the learning resources. And now, just when you click on this project, it will be asking you to go to your workspace. Click on this workspace. Now, as soon as you click on this workspace, you will be landed onto the workspace, right? So here you will have 3 tabs: project details, task and progress section, mentor review, right? So now in this project details, what you will have is like your project description, your project solution, and your architecture as mentioned, and the skills required. Okay, so when you click on this title of this project, you have some milestones created over here, right? When I clicked on this, first milestone of this project is to create speech to text, text to speech, and translate language translator and notepad. These services should be created first, right? Then to learn about this text to speech and get some information, we have given some links over here. Then my second milestone is to create our Node-RED, like to launch the Node-RED service. And once I launch the Node-RED service, all the necessary notes has been given, all the references, all the activities to be done are been listed out over here, right? This is a use, like with this complete with this template, you will be understanding completely like what steps to be followed, how to be followed. And for some projects, we are even given the references for each and every activity, right? Now, coming to this task and progress section. What is this task and progress section? This task and progress section is nothing but the task, like now, for example, I am installing my necessary nodes. I drag, this is basically known as Kanban board. I drag my task or to in progress section. Why I am dragging this task to in progress section is like something like I have started this now. I have started the process, and I'm, as you know, that once I drag the this card to in progress section, you can see here my percent has been changed automatically to 50, right? That means I have started and I am working on this current task. Now, when a mentor come to your like from our mentor logins, when we check all the things, you know, we'll be having over here, we'll be having some percentages over here. Now it's initially 0 0. It was initially 0 0, right? Once I move the task to review section, like to in progress section, you can see that my task progress has been increased. By this task increase, like by this progress only, we'll be knowing that you are working on which project, like how much you have worked and everything to this Kanban board. So I request all the faculties, once you start your particular task, or you know, working on the particular task, or you complete some particular task, just to update your Kanban board then and there, so that you know it will be easy for us to track the status. So now once I move it to the review, it means this particular task is been completed by you. So it is same for all the tasks to be done. Okay. Once you have done with all the tasks, your progress will be changed to 90%. Now what comes like now what mentor does is something like, you know, he'll review this tasks which you have posted in this review section, and once after the review, he'll drag this task to the complete section. That means your project has been reviewed successfully. Okay. And if you have any queries, we are openly available on our Telegram channel, and somehow you can write your query here also in this comment section. You can write here. Even mentors, when he reviews your project, if he feels something to be changed, your mentor will be commenting from over here. Okay. So I hope this about this project details and task and progress section is clear to you. Are you clear till here, dear faculty? Yep. So now you can find two options here. That is your Git repository and the project documentation, right? So this project documentation is nothing but like as we ask our students to write a document, right? It is nothing but as a proof. So the same case, dear faculty, I don't ask you to write some pages and pages. Just write it in small. If you are writing even for 4 to 5 pages, that's enough for us. But just make it small and good. So this here in this project document option, you can write your document or here. It is something like online documentation. Okay, and here even for the codes, you can directly even for the codes, you can direct when we compare this online documentation and our Word, which we have our Microsoft Word. In your Microsoft Word, you don't have an option of pasting your your code, right? Like you can paste your code, but not in the format. We have some format to write our codes, right? But here in this online documentation, what we have provided, that is Zoho Writer, you can select the language of the code and paste the code. Whereas the intent, like the format which you have written there, will be saved as it is. It will not be disturbed. Okay. So, and you will have this project document is protected. Your password is here in these bold letters. The black bold letters are your password of this documentation. And I'll come to the duration also. Then the main step is here, the faculty GitHub repository. Many of the faculties, not only the faculties, many of the students make mistake over here. Like once you click on this Git repository, this option of collaborating the Git repository is given only once. Faculty, it's given only once. Okay. So just the step is also given. Just sign in into your just sign in into your GitHub repository. Give your GitHub name. I'll do it in front of you. Let me take my GitHub repository name and come. The reason is like in my Chrome I have saved my GitHub login and password, which I don't remember it. So let me get that name first. Yep. In the meantime, I'll talk about the duration which has been shown on, the duration which is shown on your dashboards. Actually, the faculty, the duration which pop-ups, like the duration which is shown on your dashboards is the actual time of the period for the project completion. It takes, if it is 6 days, the project can be completed in the 6 days. As your faculties and you have your own institution works in, as you have your own household works and all. So what we have did is we have given some 2 weeks of time where you can complete your project without an hurry. Okay. So you can neglect the project or there. Your duration was from your project buildathon started from 8th of October and it is going to end on 20th October. Sir, Dharmesh sir, if you ask me, the only answer I can give is please check your internet. It completely depends upon the internet service and your hardware. So not me, not anyone can help you in that, sir. We have to wait until and unless it gets installed. Okay. I hope now my GitHub page has been like my GitHub page is visible to you, right, faculty? Yep. So here you can see once you log into your GitHub, this is my GitHub username. Okay, I'll just copy this username from here, or you can go to your profile as well. You can go to your profile and copy your username as well. I have copied my username and just gave my username to this in the field of username, and I'm clicking on check and get collaborate. Here what happens is faculty, once you set once you give your username and click on get collaborate, check and get collaborate, you will be sent an email, okay, for the verification. You need to verify that email. That email is only sent once. To resend that email, we need to delete your data, like your username from our database again. So let me check for that email, and that email you can check in spam as well. It sometimes goes to spam as well. Here you can see for me it landed in my primary section, the invitation of my GitHub, Git collaboration. And faculty, one more point to be noted here. Like invitations are sent only through this mail. We manually cannot send any invitations to you. Like giving your username to us, you ask us to collaborate. No, ma'am. No, faculty, like that we cannot do over here because it's already automated process. And the email is only sent for one time. and it's available for 7 days. After this, it gets expired. And I'm sorry for the sorry for the slow network. Yes, accept invitation. Once you click verify there, it asks for the accepting of invitation. Just I have accepted my invitation, and you can see this page. You can directly upload by clicking on this option called upload, uploading an existing file, or you can create a file as well. Here also I'll be showing you. I can close it for now. Now when I go to this Git, when I go to this Git, now you can see my Git has been opened, right? You need to sign in over here. Once you sign in, you will get an option called upload in this directly. You can upload your files over here. Okay. So I hope the faculty, I hope you are clear with the steps, faculty. The platform portal, how to upload, like how to collaborate your GitHub and all. Okay, what are the files supposed to be uploaded? Are if you are working on chatbot, the JSON file of the chatbot, the flow as you will be integrating your chatbot to your Node-RED, the flow of the Node-RED, sorry, the JSON file of the Node-RED, output screenshots, video presentations, and next the last one is like your project documentation which you have done in that online documentation. You can download it, and you can download in the format of PDF. Just upload that PDF to our Git repositories. And the auto AI, coming to the auto AI projects, your JSON file of the Node-RED, and your screen outputs, your video, and your project documentations. For all, this is common. I hope it's clear now. Okay, in video presentation, we expect only your working model to be focused on more. Like, if, for example, if I am showing a chatbot, let me go to my preview link or the Node-RED link, any one of it. Let me go to my preview link, and you can, explain the flow, how it works. The flow should be explained. That's it, not more than that. Maximum video length should be video should be for 4 minutes, not more than that. Please relaunch the application, close the application, reopen the application. You will get it will work. It will start working. Are all the steps like how to download the Watson Studio application, and like about our portal, how to upload, like how to collaborate the GitHub, what is the document project doc, where is your Kanban board, where you can find the template and the project details. I hope everything is clear. Can I get the response in the chat? And I apologize for the networks, the slow network. So with your permission, faculty, can I end the session? Yes, Jayanti ma'am, GitHub account should be created for sure, because if you submit the files to us, then only we will be coming to know, right, how much percent you have worked, what you have worked, the things on the project, right, ma'am? It should be created and it should be collaborated for sure. Ma'am, until and unless it installs till 100%, we have to do the same process, Darsha ma'am. Yep, Anup sir, I have shared it in our Telegram group. I have unpinned it because of this session. I have shared the session link over there. That's what I have unpinned it. Once after this session, I hope I'll again pinning the process. I'll be pinning up the process again. There you will be finding the video for the collaboration of the GitHub and the entire demonstration on our platform, and the titles. The document file is there. You can download the documents. It includes the titles which should be included in your documents actually. I hope I am clear. You don't have any other doubts. Dear faculty, if you have any other queries, you can ask as I am in the session with you right now. Lakshmi ma'am, as mentioned, it is an offline application where you can work on notebooks, where you can develop your modular predicting models. Notebook can be used for your Python projects, and the notebook is a good like it's good for the beginners in the Python, where we recommend notebooks for the beginners in Python. No, so weak sir. Working on SDKs is like I don't. It's not like something like mandatory. You can use the drag and drop things. That's what the sir I have told you. You can build the predictive models over there. You can use modeler, or you can use your notebook and build your models there. Sure. In group, I'll be providing you the YouTube link. No, sure. You can reuse it. You don't need to delete it. Okay, I'll be sharing a Telegram group. Srinivasa sir, just drop a mail to me. I am giving my mail ID. The faculty who have not joined in the Telegram group, please drop a mail to me. I'll reply to all with the Telegram link. Anup sir, the pack until the particular package is been installed properly, it will be prompting that kind of errors. Once after you have 50% or 70% of installation of core packages, you will not found that errors. Faculty have shared my email address there. You can drop a mail to me if you are not on our Telegram channel. I'll share the links to you. Even after sharing the links, if you are not able to join, then please email me your registered mobile number of Telegram. I'll add from my end. I hope you are well clear what are all the steps I've told in today's session. Thank you, Vikas sir. Okay, so dear faculty, I'm ending the session till here as you all are clear with all things.